everybody, this is Tontian Company for another apartment visit. So we are in Zomchua Street and I would like to start this visit by showing you the kitchen. So as you can see, this is a very design one. Just right here there is a big table. Some decorations, a giant sofa, there is a great view directly connected to the lake. Right there, this is the entrance door, and very close to it there is the first bathroom. This apartment gets two rooms, two giant ones. This is the first one with big bed to places, some commodities and one little desk. The second one with big bed to places too, with an opening window right here with this view. Right here there is a little desk, television. We have to know that this apartment is providing with a Wi-Fi connection, ventilation and air conditioning as well. And the most amazing is to see the balcony and the great view of West Lake. So that's it for this apartment, which is a very comfortable one in a very sympathetic district of Hanoi. So thank you very much. Bye bye.